Right, today we're going to bring a solar light, and this is a street light. It's a powerful light. It does have a sensor, so any motion sensor, you know, it turns on and then it kind of fades down, so it could conserve a battery. Pole, very simple to adjust, very simple to actually install. They give you the mounts for drywalls, they give you for regular concrete, any kind of sort of connections you want. They also do it for poles too, just in case you're going to set this up on a pole. Controller, very simple, on and off, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And then they give you the brightness, and then also to turn off the sensor if you don't want to, if you want to conserve battery too. All right, so this lasts about maybe 8 to 12 hours depending on your solar charge during the day. So we're gonna set this up and see how it works at night. All right, let's take a look at the light. I put it around 12 feet high, if you guys can see it, but it is. All right, so here we are at night, and I'm gonna show you how dark it gets in here because I'm lighting up the pool. We're gonna make sure that it lights up if you want to do night pool or night cleaning. So we're gonna put it right above our pool, but look how powerful the light is. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and see how powerful. Illuminating the whole area here. Very powerful street light. The whole background here, and you can see through the pool. Come on, clean at night. Don't have to worry about the sun and during the day because I got clean at night. The perfect lighting. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.